let's underwrite a 56 unit apartment complex in Tampa, Florida. So just by looking at the asset and some of the exterior pictures, it looks really good. It's built in the mid to late 70s. Looks almost like a Class A product. So the off-market owner has done a great job in maintaining outside curb appeal for the asset. Right next to Tampa International Airport, it's in a great submarket to buy this property. Let's see if it pencils. So the owner's asking $13 million. It's 56 units. I believe 32 of the units are 1-bed, 1-baths, and the other 24 out of 56 are 2-bed, 1-baths. He collected about $874,000 in rent over 10 months in 2025. So for an average of 87 grand a month, that means the owner will collect a little over $1 million every year in rental income. Just with using the 1% rule off the bat, we're way off on the offer, around 8.7 million. Owner's asking 13. He bought it for 10 all cash about 6 or 7 years ago. So this deal does not look like it's going to pencil from the get-go. But a quick tip to be competitive in your offer in a comparison to other investors in the market is the value add strategy, right? If you know your upside is on a deal, that can cause you to pay more for it because you know what it's going to project out on the back end. So let's see what that looks like. So if average in-place rents right now are currently $1,562, and you could get that up to $2,100 through exterior upgrades. Interior does not need a single thing. It is beautiful. The owner's done an amazing job. Yearly revenue would be a little over $1.4 million, which means you increase revenue by 40%, which is incredible. Take that, obviously multiply that by 0.95, and then to multiply that by 0.6. That's going to be your operating expense ratio, which is actually 40%, but to multiply by 0.6 makes everyone's life easier. Your NOI would be about $804,000 divided by market cap of 6.85%. After doing interior renovations to those units that needed some more work, the building would be worth a little over $11.5 million. For your typical value add investor, and most value add investors, this would not be a good deal at $13 million, but maybe a 1031 investor can come in, put their cash into the deal, and then just let the investment ride. But other than that, gonna have to pass, go on to the next.